In this video, we have some RC car fun.
Oh no!
And A-Test Steve nearly dies. Guys, in this video, we're going to take out the Arrma Notorious. I installed a new servo, all aluminium case, all metal gears. Also, I'm going to be running these Gens Ace live posts. Subscribe. All right, let's go bash. We got AS Steve. Here's AS. All right, Notorious time. Here we go. Oh!
What was that?
Something fell off.
Yeah, what was it?
The
wing.
Wing, spoiler, wheelie bar, everything. What happened?
You've broken it, Kev. You've
That lasted long, did it? Hey, got Pat in the house. Uh-oh.
I'm not sure.
Our body's not going to last. I think our body's better off running it without a body. Pat, flat out down there, and I've got to aim it over that bit there and go over there. If I miss, it's going to be destroyed. Oh! It's got too much power. Oh my God. I can't even use full power. It's too fast. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, where's it going? It is in the ditch. Oh, we're out. Who put that there? Alright, so we got the GoPro on there. Pat's over there trying to fix his X-Max. Pat, what are you doing?
I'm fixing the brokenness.
What's happening, Steve?
I'm watching.
He's putting a brand new diff in the back here. These AS diffs are actually pretty indestructible, but when Pat's using them, maybe not. Oh, check it out, guys. What do you reckon? Backflip opportunity? What do you reckon, Pat? Stephen? They're ignoring me.
Where are we doing this?
What do you reckon? Notorious backflip off the rover?
Oh, yeah, I think so.
All right, make sure you got the GoPro on, recording. Yes, we're getting the footage. Here we go. Oh, nailed it. Oh my God. All right, here we go, flat out. Flat out, here we go, incoming hot. Oh, how did that not crash? Oh my God, I went straight up the curb, flat out. I can't wait to see that on slow motion, and the GoPro got it. Right, I'm going to try it again and not hit the curb this time. Ready? Oh, I didn't. I know. Oh, where's it gone?
It's on its roof.
Oh no! Oh, I found out why it's clicking. Look at that drive shaft. Oh no! All right, RC chase with the GoPro on. What happened, Stephen?
You're bullying me.
Hold on, recovery vehicle coming. Oh, we're off, we're off.
What happened there?
Oh, elbow slam. Push your war. All right. Oh, whoa!
Whoa!
Something's warm. Watch out, don't get run over. We're getting over off the road. Oh, that was close. Nearly. Stephen nearly died. Look at that mess in there, man. Oh, that's nice.
All of a sudden.
Pat's almost back in action. Maxine's gonna get it. Pat, what's that byway called we went to last time with all the mud?
Orwell Drift.
Do you want to go?
Yeah, can do.
Alright, so in the next video we're going to go to Orwell Drift, where we're going to take the crawlers, we're going to get the rover stuck, and we're going to try out the WL toys and the TRX4. And even Stephen might get stuck himself.
Possibly.
What are you doing, Pat?
I've got to take these off.
I found more damage.
Oh yeah.
Look at that back drive shaft. Hello.
Oh, hello. Is that from the skate park?
I don't know. It just started clicking and that was that.
I'm not sure about these Arrmas, Kev. Just...
You can't say that. You're going to get the Arrma fanboys. You're going to get the knickers in the twist.
But I mean, come on, man. Every time we take one out, it has guaranteed come back broken. Guaranteed.
I think,
An Arrma.
I think to be fair, any car that comes out on one of my bass sessions is guaranteed to not go home.
Good point, actually. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go with that.
But with that said, people did say to me, Kev, get an Arrma, you'll never need to buy spares. That's right.
Steering
Really?
doesn't want to...
Right. What are you doing? What's going on? Oh no, Maxine! Oh no!
You dirty girl.
Oh, he missed! Tumbly wumbly! See, Arrma's better, didn't fall over.
Look at that. It's like still going, mate.
Oh! Oh no! Oh! What happened? Oh no! Don't tell him we dented his door.
You got a dent in my door.
No damage, it's alright, it's fine.
Yeah, you sure, yeah?
Yeah, it's fine, no damage. Oh, GoPro, what are you filming? Oh. It's like it weren't there.
It's only little.
Oh no, go for the back wheel. What was that? That's not how you do it, watch. There we go. Nailed it.
The Notorious is just
Look.
the bee's knees.
Oh, that's how you don't do it. Yeah, move out of the way. Oh, GoPro.
Oh, no.
Hey, nailed it. Nailed it. Oh, right, so there's not that many ramps here, so we bought our own. Oh, tumble rumble. All right, ramp set up, a bit more elevation now. Is Maxine going to get it? Notorious will get it. I've got a GoPro here so that we don't miss the footage. Here we go.
Oh, lovely. Louder than all.
I nailed it! Well, I'm going to try and hit it a bit harder. All right, here we go.
Oh, dear. Oh, oh.
Oh! That's got to be broken. What happened? So that Power HD servo is holding up pretty good, so I'm going to put a link to that down below. Oh! Oh! Shock's off. Oh, shock tower's bent.
Alright, okay, here we go.
Nah, she's done. She's done.
Right, do you need to tow him back to the car?
Arrma recovery vehicle.
Yeah, go on in.
Take it back to the car.
Start playing your sad music now.
Yeah. that was lame. Oh, and he's killed it. He's broken it. What happened? Oh, shock's off. Oil's everywhere. Go on, Maxine. Show us how it's done. Pat, if you hit it flat out, I'll pay for the damage. Uh-oh. Oh, no, it's all right. It's all right. Pat, you're going to have to hit it harder than that. Oh, and it lands. Nice. Man, that Notorious ain't as strong as everyone made out. It's good. I love it.
I love the way
it takes a beating, but it ain't as strong as people make out.
I love the way it stunts. I love the way you can manoeuvre it in the air.
Oh, look, it's got all lipo wires in the drive shaft.
Oh yeah, I didn't like. Oh, ooh.
All right, so can the Arrma Notorious get down the slide without falling over? Here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Next.
Get there, should do it.
Hey, X-Max. You ready? Go. What's going on?
We're playing in the park.
Can it get up? No. Notorious wins. Oh, there we go. Nah.
That took some holding, I tell you.
Yeah.
Do you think that's going to be strong enough to hold me?
Yeah, go. So Stephen is gonna. You got to start from up there though.
Oh yeah.
What's going to happen? Is it going to hold your weight? Let's have a look at the structural integrity. Yeah, that's fairly solid.
Well, it's not comfy.
It's tiny on there. Oh. Let's go.
No, I ain't doing that.
You have a go.
Go.
That is really scary.
Can't be that scary, can it?
The bit at the end was, I was like, oh no, I'm going to pig in the air.
Uh-oh. I don't like this bit. That's pretty scary, isn't it? Yeah. Right, who reckons Pat should do it?
No, I just got out of hospital.
I can
Yeah.
I am wicked. I'm going to get kicked in the face.
It's AF wings, baby.
Pat's winning.
Right, you kids behave yourselves today.
I'm going to fly to the moon in a minute.
Oh no, it's got skid marks already. That's from Kev last time. That was his wallet. That was his wallet getting stuck on the slide. Where's the bin? There's a bin over there, Kev. Just fuzz it in the bin, mate.